guys, welcome back to another show from Dine's Kitchen Cooking channel. Well, today I will be preparing for you a hibiscus tea. First, to prepare this tea, you need to get these petals, about 4 of them, and remove this from the petal. Pluck it off, see, and you are going to remove that green thing there. You will get 4 of these and put them to dry for about 4 days, 3 to 4 days, and use them to make your tea. So I will take you into the steps of making this tea. Yes, guys, this tea is an immune builder, immune system builder. Yes, and it will lower blood pressure, lowers inflammation, has no calories, reduce cholesterol, high in antioxidants that improve heart health, calm hot flashes. It reduces anxiety and depression, great for weight loss, prevent colds and coughs, and it is high in vitamin C. However, persons who should not consume this tea are pregnant and lactating women, infants, and persons who has kidney failure and low blood pressure, and also those who are taking medication for high blood pressure. So here I will take you into preparing this delicious and healthy tea. So first, I add 2 cups of water and in this teapot. Then I will allow this to boil, and after this is boiled, I'd add it to the petals and allow it to steep for about 10 to 15 minutes. So you will wash them. You wash the petals. You wash them before, after you pick them, and now that you're going to use them, you wash it again. So this is how it is, the petals look when they are dried. This is how it looks. So yes, guys, this is the hibiscus tea. This is hibiscus with ginger. I am going to show you make one without using the ginger to show you how that looks. So with that one, I will add some lime to it. Yes, guys, so this is the tea without the ginger in the hibiscus, and you will see how this look when it finished seeps. So yes, guys, this is your hibiscus tea. Very healthy and nutritious, good for your body. Yes, all natural. You can have this chill. If you choose to put a little honey in it, you can. But it's best that you have this unsweetened. Do remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment on the videos. See you in my next video. One love.